In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert captions with chapter numbers in Microsoft Word. If you want your figures, tables, and equations to be clearly labeled and to reflect the chapter they belong to, this walkthrough will make the setup quick and consistent. First, click the item you want to caption. That could be a figure, a table, or an equation. Make sure you actually select the object itself. Click directly on the picture, inside the table, or on the equation, so Word knows exactly what you're labeling. This ensures the caption attaches to the correct item and moves with it if you rearrange your document. Next, go to the References tab at the top of Word and click Insert Caption. This opens the Caption dialog box where Word prepares a label for your selected item. By default, Word numbers captions sequentially throughout the document, but we're going to link those numbers to your chapters for a professional, book-style format. In the Caption dialog, click the Numbering button. This is where you control how Word formats the numbers that appear in your captions. In the Numbering window, check Include Chapter Number. Turning this on tells Word to prefix each caption with the current chapter number, so you'll get something like Figure 2.3 instead of just Figure 3. Now choose the heading style that represents your chapters, such as Heading 1. Word uses the built-in heading styles in your document to detect chapter boundaries, so whichever style you consistently apply to chapter titles is the one you should select here. If your chapters aren't using a built-in heading style, Word won't know where a new chapter starts, so consistency here is key. Select the separator you prefer between the chapter number and the item number. Common choices are a period or a dash. This affects how the caption reads, for example, Figure 2.3 with a period, or Figure 2.3 with a dash. Pick the one that matches your formatting guidelines or house style. Click OK to confirm the numbering settings, then click OK again in the main caption dialog to insert the caption. Word places the caption in the correct position and applies the numbering automatically. If you later move items between chapters or insert new ones, Word can update the numbering so everything stays in order. Keep your chapter headings consistent, and your captions will follow suit. That's all you need to produce clean, chapter-aware captions that make your document easier to navigate and more professional.